And the Creator made man by his side one, father and mother of us all. He gave them a choice. Follow the temptation of darkness, or hold on to the blessing of light. Did they ate from a forbidden fruit? Their innocence is extinguished. And so for the 10 generations since Adam, sin has walked within us. Brother against brother. Nation against nation. Man against creation. We murdered each other. We broke the wall, we did this. Man did this. Everything that was beautiful, everything that was good,